Welcome back, JDM fam. Today we're going to be installing a new carbon fiber mod on the FK8 Civic Type R. So let me pull this out of this foam and we'll take a look at it. By the way, here is the CTR. I'm going to wash her up, clean her up. She doesn't look dirty, which is awesome, but it's actually pretty dusty. You can't really tell. I mean, it actually looks pretty good. But yeah, I'm going to wash and wax it today. Also install this piece right here. Carbon hood scoop is looking great as well. That's what it looks like, guys. Canards, everything looking so good on the FK8. But now we have a new carbon piece we're going to be installing on the Type R, guys. This is a fuel door overlay, and it is definitely a nice piece. So you could see that it looks great. This is gloss carbon. It's glossy carbon, and it's going to look great on the fuel door. So this is actually a pretty big fuel door. I didn't realize until I was looking at this piece and looking at my fuel door that I realized this is actually a huge fuel door. It's like really wide. So I'm going to test fit it really quick, just see how it fits, and then we'll be installing it after we wash the car. All right, so let's test this fuel door really quick. Let me pop it on really quick. I don't want to scratch the car, especially because it's dusty, but that is going to be basically what it looks like. Obviously it's going to sit a lot better, but that looks so good. That looks sick. So it's going to look really good. This is a big fuel door, so it's going to make a huge difference on this side. So yeah, I can't wait, guys. Let's wash the car up and install this fuel door. There's the fuel door. Looks great, guys. Definitely like it. It really does change up the look of the driver's side, adds a little bit more of a unique look to it, and the fuel door actually looks great, guys. This carbon looks really good, as you can see. Looks really, really good. Pops out, and it's a big piece, so it definitely does make a big difference. So I really do like this fuel door, and it does look great. It is a very tight fit though, and when closing the fuel door, it does touch the sides just a little bit, so you definitely want to test fit it when installing it. This is just something I wanted to mention if you guys are buying one for your car, but once you get it on there, it looks really good. So if you guys want to check this out, I will link it in the description. Check out the Type R, guys. I mean, this wax just shines so well. Makes the car look so good, and I love it. Like, this car is so shiny. I probably spent about an hour and a half, 2 hours out here washing and waxing the car, installing that, and just making the car look great. Wow. So shiny. I love it. I love this car. All right, guys, that's about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you guys haven't already. I'll see you guys on the next video.